Hello everybody, I'm Tommila. Welcome back to Honda Films, the place where you come to learn about photography and all things RC. Today is a very special episode and a very special video. I got a job at Hobby RC here in Longview, Washington, and so I'm doing this video for them, so I'm really excited to do that as well. So today, you're in for a special treat. We're going to be unboxing and testing this new Traxxas Hoss, the newest addition to the Traxxas monster truck lineup. But first, we'll break down the features and details, and all while giving you some impressions along the way. You'll find everything you need to know about it right here in one video. So let's get to that. As many as you know, the Traxxas Hoss is a 1/10 scale 4x4. You will actually need to get this thing running, you'll need to have a 2S or a 3S LiPo battery with a Traxxas ID connector. And the transmitter itself will require 4 AA batteries. After that, you and the Hoss are ready to bash and crash. And it does, because of these killer features that come with it. First off, the Hoss styling and aggressiveness are inspired by the larger X-Max and Max monster trucks. But the chassis are based around the Rustler 4x4, which makes the Hoss a little better for beginners, and a little easier to carry and a lot easier to store and work on. But the Hoss is far from being just a Rustler 4x4. The Hoss has been upgraded for hard bashing and crashing. It features the upgraded 540 XL motor, which is in the larger Traxxas Max. With the 540 XL, it pops wheelies effortlessly, and also increases bottom end torque. Now, the spur gear that's included with this Hoss is even metal, and the Hoss even includes a proper center differential. Now, Traxxas refers to this as the torque biasing center drive, and it is filled with 500,000 weight fluid. The front and rear diffs have 50,000 and with grease in the rear. And all diffs are sealed gears. The Hoss even includes the Traxxas heavy duty suspension arms, where those are offered as an option part for some other Traxxas models, but come standard on the Hoss, which also includes the all new 2.8-inch sledgehammer tires, which is mounted on black chrome wheels with 12mm hexes. Now, this being a next-gen Traxxas vehicle, which is loosely defined by having two main features. The first of which is the use of the no body clip design, which you can see here will save you a lot of money in the long run. And all the plastic pieces are mounted on the body, which is something that comes with these next-gen trucks. These pieces are really good reason for having a roof skid plate, and the tailgate skid plate will help your body last longer from all the bashing and crashing that you're going to be doing in it. This should really help your body last twice as long as those pieces are in conjunction with the underside plastic bracing to keep their body rigid. And the second feature is so awesome. It comes with the self-righting feature, which this truck will self-right itself after holding the set button on the transmitter for about 5 or 6 seconds. Also, the ridge body makes its self-righting feature a lot easier to do. We can get under the hood and see what's in this box here. As you open the box here, the car comes standard with the clip spot design here, which is just nifty. All right, and it also comes with right here your standard packages that come with stuff right here. Included are going to be some extra shock spacers here, and then we have your Traxxas stickers. Your manual's going to be in here, and it sounds like there's some tools in here too. Yeah, you got your standard wrenches for your camber, your toe and your toe out, and your camber leashes. You got a wheel thing here. You got Allen wrench. It's probably a hex screw of 1.0 to 2.0 hexes on here now. So all in all, it just comes pretty. It's just pretty standard unboxing for this thing. Okay, so let's start with the first thing here. The length of this is 20.4 inches. The width of the car itself is 13.10 inches. The ground clearance itself is 2.75 inches or 70mm. Now the height of this thing actually sits about 8.34, and the wheelbase of these sledgehammer tires here are 11.62 inches. It comes with this battery strap right here that's just amazing, actually. You can push this button here, and then it come out. And as it comes out, you can spin it around like this. You have a larger battery in here, a larger battery to fit in here. Then you fit that battery there, Comes with the heavy duty CVDs here as well. Comes with wheelie bar on back here. And Pro shocks. Okay, let's talk about electronics. The first thing you notice here, that it comes with a cooling fan here on top of your ESC. It's up here. This ESC is standard. It has a standard ESC for all race modes, or for all modes. It comes with sport mode, race mode, and training mode as well, which is great for beginners to get into using training mode. The steering servo is a standard 275 steering servo. Now the engine is a brushless 540 XL motor, long format brushless motor. It's got a 4-pole 24 kV, the 5mm output shaft, balanced precision rotors, and it comes with the blue iodized finish as well. Now another thing to note too is it's blue. This vehicle is waterproof. Now you can get this thing up to 60 miles per hour with a LiPo battery and the high-speed gear. This car also comes with Traxxas stability management that improves straight line acceleration and braking on low traction surfaces. It also comes with the TQI transmitter, which automatically stores settings. Now it also comes standard with camber and caster linkages here. Now there's supposed to be oil-filled ultra shocks right here as well. Let's see how they test up when we take it outside and bash it as well. So it has the dual crank design. Here's the bottom side of the car as well. All in all, it looks super clean. That's it for this video. I sure hope this was a good video for you. I hope you enjoyed it and you learned a lot from this video, and hopefully this made the decision to actually go out and buy this Hoss. I also tell you to go out and support your local hobby shops. If you're in the Longview, Washington area, or if you're in the Vancouver area, you can always go to Hooked Hobbies RC in Longview, Washington. Come here and check out our deals. Come here and buy some cars. Just chit chat with us and learn about RCs. So that's everything for this video. I'm Tommila, and remember, have fun bashing and crashing.